Y'all know it. Y'all know it. Game up with Fame. What is up, guys? We're back. We're gonna give it. I got this new truck. Show y'all it. No. You know what? I have to spread this out a little. You know what? I'm gonna actually take the camera off. Alright. This is my truck. It's the beast. Look at those size shocks. Whoa. Okay, guys. So yesterday I did Jeep Uncoiled Part 1. This is Part 2 on the truck. Look at this. Look at that. Alright, guys, let's get started. Let's push play again. Click this. And go home. Let's go off-roading. See that yellow thing? It's really yellow. What did I do? Yeah. This thing has a lot of flex. But it's really, really heavy. So it's actually kind of hard sometimes to flex. You know what? Alright. About to flex on it. It's so heavy. Alright, let's just go play in the mud. Let's show y'all how it goes. Me and my friends all the time. They want to use the beans, but I used to go mudding. It's not really that weird. It's just not that weird. See. Subscribe if you haven't. He's even better at Gigabit. His name is, just go on YouTube, go and just type in like a song that you would usually play or a video. Just type in, I don't know anything on there, I forgot. Also, yeah, right before the videos are in another video. Alright guys, so we're getting to the deep part. Like, the deep part goes this is even bigger than the buggy that I used to have. We're about to pull off into it. So they're getting kind of deep. Voila. Look at that. Look at the dodge. And it's still going? Look at that. I'm not gonna forget it. This is really deep. I'm winching this up. Alright guys, before I leave the game, I'm gonna show y'all the person that is on YouTube. He's my best friend. As y'all can see, I'm on YouTube. I'm getting on YouTube. It's gonna take a second. Hold up, wait. Well, I had it. My phone does this. Right. Just go to your subscriptions. And, well, let's just look. His name is King Savage. Click on it. Like, once you type it in, it'll pop up. Scroll down. I don't even know if he's on here. He's not on this one. I'm just gonna have to go in here. Well, guys. Alright, he's right here. His is this. See, he does gigabit videos. It's my Jeep. Or, that's my Jeep on his video. This is my Jeep. He's 6 subscribers. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video. Again, y'all hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't. Y'all be safe, guys. Bye.